Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get limited edition Brainrots in Plants vs. Brainrot. So basically you're going to aim for like eggs on the, I don't know, runway? I don't know what this is called. But basically if there's eggs, you're going to want to get the meme like lucky egg. Sorry, this is a meme egg. I don't know what it's called. Looks like this. It's the gold version though. And then there's also this one, which is the secret egg. So let's hatch them together and see which Brainrot we got. So this is the secret one. Hopefully I get something good. Okay, we got Lo Tomatoro. And then for the other one, we have okay, I have like 3 of these already, so I'm not that surprised. That is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.